OTIS. Still got those plastic buttons for your open door close, but they've been slapped on with Dewhurst US-89 buttons. Used to be touch sensitive, as I saw videos on YouTube of these elevators. Have a good day.
You too.
Okay. Of course, these are OTIS. 8th floor. Have a good day. Okay. Door closes. As you can see, look at that. Completely original. Not really original, but a bit of a slap on with some original stuff. That's alright. We're here on the 9th floor. Going down, I think it's Main. Back down to it. This is the Roy. What was it called? The cab. Original. But a little bit of a slap on mod, but still it's got some original stuff. Stuff on number 6. I don't like that number. Speaker horns over there. One more floor, and there we go. We're done. Okay. That would be it. So this is what's on track.